Hello guys, today we will cover the topic on SQL Server order by clause. Order by clause basically is used to sort the result in ascending or descending order. By default, it sort the record in ascending order, and if we want to sort the record in descending order, then we need to specify the keyword DAC. Here is the syntax for order by clause. You can see here. It is a simple select statement, and if we want to sort the records in ascending or descending order, then we need to specify the keyword ascending and descending for sorting in our select statement. Let's take an example. Here we have a sample table, name is order by demo, and you can say tables are having 4 columns: serial number, product, quantity, and purchase date. So here my requirement is I want to sort my result set based on quantity column in descending order. So whatever my result set will be, I want to sort it based on quantity in descending order. So I will write the query like this: select start from table name order by, then column name that I want to sort, and the keyword is descending. So what this query will do, it will return a result set by sorting the column quantity in descending order. So let's execute the query, and here you can see the values for the quantity column is sorted in descending order, highest one at the top and the lowest one at the bottom. In similar way, if I want to sort my result set based on quantity column in ascending order, then I will write query this like this. Here is the order by clause and then column name that I want to sort quantity. For the ascending order, in order by clause, we don't need to pass the keyword ASC because by default it sort the result in ascending order. So let's execute, and you can see the values for the quantity column is sorted in ascending order. It is increasing, and the lowest one is at the top and the highest at the bottom. And if I remove this ASC and execute it, it will still give the same result. You can see here 10 is the top and the highest one at the bottom. Now we will take another example by sorting multiple columns. Sort multiple column in suppose we want to sort our result set based on multiple columns. It may be in ascending order, it may be in descending order, ascending and descending order. We can also do this like select star from order by demo order by. So first I want to see my result set to sort based on product in ascending order, then I want to sort it further based on quantity in descending order. Let's see the output. Here you can see the product column is sorted first in ascending order, then after sorting for the product column, it is sorted further for quantity in descending order. Here you can see the difference. For the product pen drive, the quantity is sorted in descending order. You can see for pen drive, the highest quantity is at the top and the lowest quantity at the bottom, and quantity order is descending like 250, 200, 160. In similar way, for product hardware, the quantity is sorting in descending order, and for the computer and keyboard, because it's a single row, so you cannot compare. And here you can compare the product. First product column is sorted in ascending order, and then further for that sorting, the quantity column is get sorted in descending order. So whatever the column we have in our order by clause, is sorted based on preference. Preference means if we have a multiple columns in our order by clause, then whatever the column comes first in order by clause is sorted first, then next. So it is the preference based. Which comes first in order by clause is get sorted first, and based on that sorting, the further column is sorted either in ascending or descending order. So here we have the example of multiple columns in our order by clause, and let's use aggregate function in order by clause. We can also sort our result set based on aggregating the result set. Suppose let's take as a table. Here we have a table, and I want to sort my result set based on the row counts for any particular product. Suppose the pen drive is coming 3 times, so I want to count the product and then want to sort the highest one at the top. So for the product, suppose the pen drive, I have 4 counts, and then hardware I have 2 counts. Then I want to sort based on their counts, like the pen in descending order. Like, so for this result set, pen drive should be come at the top, then hardware, and then computer and keyword. So how I will do right like this: product count, I will use, let me count simple cnt. Here I am using group by query. Product having count not here, order by clause, and I want this here descending. So it means I want to group my column based my record set based on product. Then I want to count, the highest count will be at the top. So for product, we can simply see here, for pen drive we have a 4 rows, so it should come at first, then hardware, then computer and keyboard based on their sorting order. Let's execute the query, and here you can see the pen drive comes at the top, then hardware, then keyword and computer, because both have single 1 count. So in this way we can use order by clause with aggregate function, and hope you enjoy the video. Kindly subscribe the channel for getting the latest update. Thanks for watching the video.